guys, welcome back to my vlog. So this is a second vlog and today we're gonna go hiking Rattlesnake Ledge with the gang. I forgot to film an intro, so I'm adding this in right now. Also, I forgot to film when they first came to my house because I was packing lunch, I was doing my makeup, I was like literally doing everything. So the first few clips are going to be filmed by my homeboy, so I apologize for the really bad camera work, but thanks to him I have somewhat of an intro. But today we're gonna go on the hike and we're gonna go with Abba, Hui, Max, Huang, Jared, Caleb and Brian, and Leo online. So come along.
Okay.
Shit.
Where the fuck did you get those?
Shit.
Cool, well.
Oh.
Shit.
So it's literally just up, okay. Yeah.
Beach on the beach, shebang.
No?
All of my ops are oh, wait, that's wrong.
Hey, give me some of that rhymes with orange.
The AC in my room is turning yellow.
Hey!
I'm kind of an odd fellow.
Okay!
I can make orange
like
rhyme with
staring at
banana. More banana.
Hey! Eating pork rinds with your grandma. Playing forward down on the toilet.
Hey, is that Hui's car?
Wow.
Hey! Hey!
She's our train,
The best that I will ever be. Train gang!
Oh, I'm such a trainer.
Why don't you and Brian just put out this?
That's what I just said. That's literally what I just said.
Oh.
Thank you.
That's like 2 hunger bars, yo.
Wait, did I just keep this up?
All right, let's talk business. Who's the first one to fall off the cliff first? Who's the first one to? Who's the first person to slow down? Because either that guy or that guy.
Or me, or Brian.
They both ate McDonald's the last hike.
Brian never sees the light.
You have a tripod? No, you don't.
Are you vlogging now?
No.
Oh, wait, are you calling Leo? Not ready.
Oh, I do need call Leo. Oh,
Wait,
fuck.
Is your
Wait, you don't check the group chat. Check the group chat.
Hey, this guy's
Why do you
no.
think I messaged him privately on 2 different apps?
I had to talk to him individually just so I could bring this guy on the hike, bro. Cause you won't check your messages.
frisbee?
Is this a frisbee? No, it's a furry.
Well, are we
It's a
going
furry.
through the front or the garage? The front.
Jared, can I hit you from the front or the back?
You can go back door if you want.
Yes, sweet, sweet.
The garage is
Sweet.
It's okay, my dad's gonna.
I get my shoes. I get my shoes.
Oh, see you, John.
Hey, later, John. Later, Johnny.
See you, John.
Later, John.
Hell no.
He needs a watch.
I was looking at what time.
Wait, Tisha, speaking of watch, do you watch you wear to bed? Interessante.
We should go too because we need to get gas.
Okay. Okay.
Shut up. Hi to the vlog. Hui, say hi to the vlog. Oh.
Stop speeding. The point of this is for us to follow you, and you just left the fuck. You just left us.
We're on the way to the hike.
Huh?
We're on the way to the gas station. And Hui. Oh my god. We are at the hike. Papa, Abba, say hi to the vlog. Doofuses, say hi to the vlog.
Can you close the door, the
Say hi! We have enough storage on the phone? Yes. We're at the hike. The boys are still back there. Do you feel better? Papa threw up. But we're at the hike. We made it. The plans made it out of the group chat. They're grabbing us thick. The boys aren't there yet, bro. What is taking them so long?
He took 10 minutes to put on fucking
Wait, why did you put on jeans, Jared?
That's what I'm saying.
Shorts.
Yeah, I have shorts under.
Oh,
I'm gonna get like 3 billion bug bites. I'm about to get like the
that's
boys are
fine.
gonna prick me.
There's so many bugs. Does anybody have bug spray?
Do not.
That's why I didn't wear shorts.
Yeah, but for the gram. I'm a performative hiker, by the way. Thank you. Guys, everything reminds me of Leo.
I miss Leo.
We wish Leo was here. I'll edit Leo right there.
I wish Leo a Merry Christmas.
Look at the creek!
Holy shit. She just jumped over a rock.
Thank you, I know. That was kind of low-key smooth. Bro, I'm already so over this, and you're telling me we have to go up there?
Wait, talaga?
Hey, I think you have a little something stuck in your pants, bro.
Wait.
Okay, show the vlog. Oh my god.
Wait.
He also speaks for the bush.
Wait, you mean it's a...
So if somebody's like, we're just about to start the hike. Wait, it's my tail.
Wait, we're just about
Let me smack. Say, hey. That's definitely not going on YouTube. Oh shit. It fell out. Oh shit.
Wait, the hike hasn't even started.
Hike has not even started, bro.
Look, welcome to Rattlesnake.
I was like, oh, this shit nice. This is nice.
Vlogception. Hello.
Hey, Tisha, can you handle 2 miles?
Did you guys take the hit?
Yeah.
This is for like when we our like phones get discovered and we're all dead.
I can't believe we haven't even started the hike, bro.
Yeah, we died.
This is me. Going on Rattlesnake. Maybe going for a fucking different back. What if we just split up?
Scuba.
And just, like,
You're the most nonchalant hiker I've ever seen, Jared. You're in jeans,
I'm not going.
Nikes, and a t-shirt, and you have a stick.
Only ball knowledge, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, dude.
I literally have it, bro.
Oh, you got
Only
merch from the
ball knowledge.
concert?
Tisha, say your name and say this is you before the
Okay,
hike.
my name is
Really?
Tisha Avis, and this is me before the hike. Go.
I can
Oh.
please multiple people.
Ugh.
Yeah, and then like after just cuts you just like fucking dead.
Camouflage, bro. Go, climb up. Okay, go. Reach it. I can't get it for my vlog. We've been hiking for 2 minutes. What if he knew? Big ass problem. You are the ambassador for nature. If he falls off, I'm gonna laugh so hard. We're leaving him at the rock. Oh, but we haven't even been hiking for 2 minutes, and I'm already tired. Oh my god. Bruh.
He told Leo that he just threw up and he was like, huh? Didn't y'all just start?
Oh my god. Okay guys, we're halfway up the hike. It's just me and Papa because the rest, they go to the gym 6 times a week and they're already conditioned. But look at this view. Papa, what do you think of the hike so far?
I am tired, but I'm excited to see the view.
I know. I should have been recording earlier because there were so many funny moments with Huang and Jared. Like, I literally had to stop hiking with them because it was literally like hiking with Dumb and Dumber. Like, we were playing the alphabet game and it comes to K and Jared goes, kill myself, and then he trips and the lady just looks at him and she's like, we're on the hike. I'm low-key, I just really wanted to be a performative hiker.
Oh my god, my lamok. Sorry.
We're good. We're gonna start walking. Sorry. We're gonna start walking again. Another small update. Papa and I are still here. Bro, literally we were talking to these people on the hike, and first we talked to this guy and he was like, oh, you're a little bit more than halfway, but you still got a long ways to go. His daughters, and they were like, almost there. So, and now I don't know who to believe. Because, bro, it literally just feels like it's never ending. Oh my god.
There's also so many
Mosquitoes.
Yeah.
I wish I brought bug spray, but look, we're literally, bro, literally the whole group is gone.
I know.
It's literally just us.
They probably reached the top by now.
Maybe. But what matters is the friendship. I think we're here. We're so close. Oh my god, I think we are. I think we are here. Papa, I think we're here. Unless this is a mirage. And we literally, bro, literally the people in front of us were like, you only have 3 minutes to go. And then literally Papa was like, why don't we just ask the people behind us? And how long do you have? Good morning. Ay, wala pa, be. Ang layo pa. Gago. Tingnan mo. Be, ang layo pa. Pataas pa. Okay, we're so close to the peak. We're literally here. Okay, let's go. Last few steps. Okay, let's go. Let's just go up. Look at this. Look at this viewpoint. Oh my god. Papa, look. We're just trying to find them. I think they're over there by like the actual ledge. They're finally here. Whee! Hi. Whoa, this is so nice.
Waiting for like 30 minutes.
Well, we were taking Instagram pictures, so. This is so nice over here. Wait, where are the others? Down there. Okay.
We have to go all the way down.
All the way down?
Yeah.
Papa, we finally made it to the top. Yeah. Yay. It's so nice. Oh my god. Bro, this literally took 2 hours. Okay. Papa! Well, social anxiety is just a construct of society and the fundamental of anxiety. Jared has a humiliation king, bro. You were doing the worst.
He does.
Wait,
Whoa! Whoa. Jeez.
We're going down.
Caught in 4K. Caught in 4K.
what just happened? How the fuck are we like this? How are we like this?
I can't.
What? Yeah, this is not doctor, by the way. It's like a picture bro.
Reed,
6'7".
Okay. Don't ask woman, by the way. We're live.
Oh, really? Oh, fucking really? Oh, really?
Now you're just doing it for everyone to see. Now.
Let me jump.
I have a funny idea. You like take your arm and then you just like bring a buckle. Yeah, buckle her. Like just take your arm and
Flag.
so she flies on it.
6'7".
Why do you say it like that? Shut up. I'll leave you on the side of the
Whoa. Wait, pause.
Is this thing on?
All right.
Yeah, Tisha, go ahead, jump.
We can get back to back.
Caleb should go first because he has like extra padding.
Padding?
So he can like bounce. Boing.
Bounce on that thing.
Bounce, wait. Rate the bounce.
Yeah, I need to leave.
Helping in Red Robin. Oh, ho, ho. alcohol because I'm on top right now. Life mug. Life mug. Takes 101.
Oh, I got my head. Dude,
Long stands, bro. My god, bro, that was so embarrassing.
I was gonna say nice and then I tripped on a
You were about to say nut. Bro, oh my god. I wish I got it on camera. Oh my god. Is he scared of water? Are you scared of water? Are you scared of water?
Yeah, kind of, but I can go in.
Okay, look, Jared, it's literally 4.5 feet. It's literally nothing to you. Say hi, Juan. Oh my goodness, yes. Hi and say hi. Hi. She's like, I'm embarrassed. You're embarrassed. One. Another. What the fuck? Oh, my fault. Yes. Let me try again.
Oh my god, you're holding Tell me that's on film. He's finished.